This project was to go beyond my comfort zone. Looking close up and intimately at one's own genitalia in some cases seems taboo. I now think it should be part of a self-acceptance, self-loving practice that we can do with ourselves in private and perhaps also share safely with others through sacred feminine rituals that celebrate the holy vulva. Nina's project represented an opportunity to do this. It also gave a platform from which we could describe our relationship to this otherwise private part of our bodies, which is often ignored, defiled, or insulted, and yet is the source of life itself. Nina invited me to name my contribution to this project, and Constellation is what came to me. Our wombs are miracle life givers. Our bodies become more than biology. They become vessels from which we new souls can transcend beyond the firmament. Through a portal and in a heartbeat, create another human being.